In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use table rules in Microsoft Loop 2026. Table rules let your loop tables react automatically when something changes, so you can save time on routine updates and keep everyone informed. Think of them as simple automations that watch your table and then do something useful, like send a message when a condition is met. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser. Sign in if prompted, then head to the workspace where your project lives. Open the page you want to work on. If you're organizing tasks, issues, or requests, this is a great place to add a table because rules work best when your columns represent things that change, like status, priority, or due dates. On your page, type /table to insert a new table. Give your columns clear names and set the right types. For example, make status a drop-down with options you actually use, such as not started, in progress, and done. Use priority as a drop-down or a label column with high, medium, and low. The more consistent your data is, the more reliable your rules will be. With the table ready, look for the ellipsis menu at the top of the table and choose Rules. This opens the Rules panel where you'll connect a trigger to an action. You're telling Loop what to watch for and what to do when it happens. First, set your trigger. Pick the column and define the condition that should fire your rule. For example, trigger when status changes to done, when priority equals high, or when due date is before today. Be as specific as possible so you only automate what matters. Next, choose the action. Common choices include sending an email or posting a message to Microsoft Teams. Configure the details like who should receive the notification and what the message should say. Use values from the row, such as the item title, assignee, or due date, to make the message meaningful and actionable. When everything looks good, click Create Flow to activate the rule. Behind the scenes, Loop creates a Power Automate flow so your organization's licensing and connector permissions apply. The first time you do this, you may be asked to confirm or sign in to the relevant connections. After it's active, test your rule by changing a value in the table that matches your trigger and watch for the action to run. If you need to make changes later, return to the same table menu to edit, delete, or toggle rules on and off. Give your rules clear names so it's easy to manage them over time. That's it. With table rules, your loop tables become smarter, nudging the right people at the right moment and keeping work moving without manual follow-up.